Let's recreate a vintage-style poster featuring your product inside a snow globe. First, open Pixlr Nano Banana. Upload your product image, then upload a snow globe image you'd like to merge with. In the prompt box, describe how you want your product to appear inside the globe. Mention Christmas vibe and subtle 90s vibe to give it a vintage touch. Don't forget to describe the background too. Try adding a snowy alpine scene for that cozy holiday feel. And just like that, you've got a fresh and unique product image. Next, open Pixlr Express and choose your poster size. Add a frame, adjust it to fit the canvas, and place your new image inside. Add a title to your poster using the text tool. Pick a font that matches the theme, along with the right color and style. Then resize it as needed. You can use the color picker to choose tones from your image to help everything blend beautifully. Add a rectangle at the bottom of your poster to include product details and enhance the vintage aesthetic. Insert your logo and tagline on the shape for a polished, professional look. You can also use the warp tool to shape your text creatively and make it stand out. Go to Elements, search Christmas, and decorate your poster with festive icons. And there you have it, where your vintage Christmas product poster is ready to share.